Agents, here's a pro realtor tip for you. I want you to spend at least 30 minutes a day to understanding what's taking place in the market. For example, take the first 15 minutes of your day and scan all the news and headlines in the real estate industry of what's happening. There's a lot of websites and resources that you can go to. One of the recommendations I can make is this gentleman named Pierre Leduc. He sends an email every single day which lists out all the headlines. He's from the Canadian Real Estate Association from Korea. So if you're not signed up, sign up on the platform. The other 15 minutes, I want you to spend time scanning your MLS system. Scan the area, scan the regions, find out what properties are selling for, how many days in the market properties are lasting. Get a great understanding of your market and stats. So next time you have that conversation with a lead or a potential client, you know what the heck you're talking about.